Ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Now let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be on clip-ins, okay? Y'all remember on my last video I did clip-ins? Today's video is going to be on straight clip-ins, okay? Now in my last video, my hair was beyond dirty, so y'all know I had to come to y'all with washed and blow-dried hair. To get started, I'm just going to straighten my hair, and that's literally all I'm going to do. Just straighten my hair and I'll be ready to add my clip-ins. Now as I continue to straighten my hair, I need y'all to go ahead and just hit the subscribe button. Just go ahead and hit it. We on a road to 1K subscribers, okay? I'm over here giving y'all content on a regular, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we could be friends. Now that we're done with that, let's get into these clip-ins. Once again, Sensational clip-ins come with 9 pieces, 4 or 5 different lengths. And y'all, these clip-ins are the bomb. They are super thick. They get your hair super full. Just wait and watch this. Now, of course, to get started, all you have to do is part out your hair and go ahead and clip that clip-in right to your hair. And just look at the first piece. The first piece already looked like I just got a fresh doobie. Come on, stop playing with me. Look at this. That's just the first piece. But I parted out the second row and I flat ironed it a little bit, but you don't have to flat iron in between each part. It's really not necessary. Your hair is going to blend in. Just comb it into the clip-ins and you'll be perfectly fine. You don't have to go ahead and re-flatten your hair again. Oh my gosh, the more I kept putting my clip-ins in, the more it kept giving me Saturday morning, wake up and go get your doobie done at the Dominican spot, okay? This is what this was giving me. It was giving me my doobie life. And if you don't know what a doobie is exactly what I just said. You wake up on Saturday morning, you go to the Dominican spot, you get your hair washed, they put them rollers in there, you pick your color, they put your rollers in. They sit you under the dryer for 3 hours. They take your rollers out and they give you a nice wrap and they put 1,000,000 pins in it and you good to go. You take that wrap out, baby. Hair flowing in the wind. At this moment, this is when I knew Sensational about to have me outside this summer. Look at this hair, y'all. Look at how thick and full. Like, y'all cannot tell me this not my hair. This my hair. Like, look at how luscious and full it looks so good. It blends in with your hair perfectly. Like, this my hair. Now I'm just adding the last 2 short pieces at the top of my head. And actually, guys, I have 1 more piece left, so I actually only used 8 pieces. It came with 9 and I only used 8 pieces. And just look at how nice it blends with my hair. It blends so good. I think this my hair. I think this my hair. Y'all cannot tell me this not my hair. And of course, you want to make sure you flat iron the top of your hair to get it extra sleek. You don't have to, but to get it extra sleek, you flat iron the top. And this looks like my hair. Like, I am truly amazed $30 clip-ins, and they're synthetic, but you could add a little bit of heat to it. You could add up to 400 degrees of heat, I believe. So it's really not that synthetic, but it's synthetic. Listen, it don't even matter at this point. The hair looks good. Now let's move on to how I get my face together. I like to start off with my eyebrows using the Kiss New York Precision Brow Pencil. And this part right here, you guys, is not for my makeup girls. This is just showing you guys how I get myself together. Okay, I'm going on a little lunch date with my man, and I'm just showing you how I fix myself up a little bit. This is not a full makeup glam part video. This is really just truly how I just fix myself up a little bit to get cute. And now we're moving on to the mineral powder. Yes, I use mineral powder. I feel like an auntie saying that, but it's okay. I am an auntie. I use a little bit of mineral powder, and honestly, that's really all I use on my face, you guys. It sounds grandma-ish, but I really don't know what else to use. I'm not really I'm into makeup. I'm just not in the makeup world, and I need a little bit of help. But I'm gonna get better. We're gonna learn together. And of course, I wouldn't even dare to try to put lashes on because it would literally be in the middle of my eyelid. So we put on some mascara for the girls. Look at how cute. I'm cute, yeah. And now I'm taking my True Complexion contour palette, and all I'm going to use is the bronzer. Just dust it on a little bit. I hope that's right. It's okay because we're going to get it together. We're going to learn together. We're going to get this makeup right, okay? We're going to get it right for my makeup girls, okay? And of course, you don't want to forget your edges. Sleek them edges a little bit. Get them looking right, like you just got a nice little perm. I think if I started the video from right here and never said I had clip-ins in, you would never know I had clip-ins in. I really feel like these blend in so well. Comment below if you think if I started the video from right here, would you know I had clip-ins in? Now that we're done with that, I want to get into my outfit. I wanted to do a super simple look. These jeans are from Pretty Little Thing. This top is from Rainbow. And let me tell you something. Rainbow walked so Fashion Nova could run, okay? Don't y'all forget that. All right, so I'm putting on my necklaces, I'm putting on my crystals, my bangles, and then I'm going to put my watch on. This bag, I believe, is from Fashion Nova. And these sandals are from Walmart. Yes, Wally World. Y'all better check them out. They be having some gems. And that's my outfit, you guys. How do I look? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. So me and Bae ended our lunch date at Cookie Connect. These cookies were really good, you guys. You should definitely check them out. And on that note, comment below what you would like to see me do in my next video. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
Ooh la